I'm Dr. Raam Lakhani. I work at the Watson Clinic in Lakeland, Florida. I've been here for about 13 years. I have a varied practice, both ear, nose, and throat surgery, as well as facial plastic and reconstructive surgery. Plastic surgery initially became interesting because of the reconstructive side. In Michigan, we did a lot of traumatic and difficult cases with congenital deformities, and that kind of piqued my interest initially. My training started in Miami. I started an undergraduate and medical school at the University of Miami, and I am board certified, double board certified in fact, both in ear, nose, and throat as well as in facial plastic and reconstructive surgery. The boards in essence are the physician's commitment to quality. Of course, residency is where that starts. Right after medical school, you go on to do your initial steps of training. Mine was in ear, nose, and throat, which was 5 years. Then I went on to facial plastics and reconstruction in Syracuse, where I spent an additional year and a half. And that is really to hone in all of your skills, really get you on top of things. Lakeland is a very grounded place. It's a great place to raise kids, of course. My wife and I moved here before we had kids and found that it's a lovely town. Once the kids showed up, we noticed that Lakeland is even better. There's so many opportunities for kids to flourish, both educationally, recreationally. There are all kinds of things. Our kids, boys play basketball, our daughters in ballet. It's just such a good community in terms of the philanthropic side. Lakeland, as a small town, has a full-fledged cleft team where we provide care not only from the surgical side, but the speech therapy, audiology, dentists, orthodontists, you name it. And we love Lakeland. My wife is in practice in this area. She's been in practice almost or more than 10 years now, but she has enjoyed every minute. The people here are so salt of the earth, I guess is the best way to put it. They're good folks that appreciate us being here, and we appreciate them. But from the perspective of my patients that come through the door, I've found that Lakeland is ideal for my personal desires and my mindset, so to speak. Our practice here has 2 locations. One is in the north side of Lakeland. The other is in the south Highlands area. 2 very busy areas in terms of patient volume. They come through constantly, and we enjoy every one of them. We have a very busy practice in the operating room. Both the hospital and the surgical center are close to the north side office. What makes me different from other doctors, particularly in this area, is the background and training. Another difference perhaps is the side where we give in terms of doing things for the cleft lip and palate patients, the trauma patients, some of the cancer patients that come through, have traveled abroad and done cleft lip and palate work. Some of those things are, I think, a little bit different than what you'll see normally. I do love what I do. I'm very fortunate from that perspective. I enjoy the artistic side as well as the scientific side, the way that my brain is working all the time and analyzing and assessing and getting to do and getting to see the actual results, the fruits of your labor. It's so rewarding in so many ways.